Hi, this is Rachel Kayla, your fun and friendly Columbus, Ohio realtor from Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Professional Realty. And today we are going to talk about cleaning your home as you're getting ready to put it on the market. So we're going to start with some general cleaning tips for the entire home. The first and most important is make sure all light bulbs are working, and if they're not, replace them. If there's even a question in your mind that a light bulb might be old and go out soon, just go ahead and replace it. The next thing you want to do is make sure all the flooring surfaces are clean. So launder your rugs, clean your carpets, and mop any hard floor surfaces. Also, if you have some tile floors with grout, you want to clean the grout too as well as you can. And then the next thing, declutter everywhere. This is where I apply the 70-30 rule. When you're living in a home, you live in 70% of it and 30% of it goes unused. However, when you're putting your home on the market, you want to make sure that 70% of the home is unused and only 30% of it looks lived in. The last general rule for the entire house that you want to take care of is dust everywhere. All those little nooks and crannies, you want to dust. Make sure it's clean and looking good. Now, we're going to start with the entryway, the foyer. This is the first place you want to look at, and this is where the first impression is made. So, 3 things to think of in that entry area is 1, clean the doors and all the fixtures on the doors, get rid of any fingerprints, scuff marks, those kind of things, and make sure interior and exterior facing are both clean. You want to organize the coat closet because buyers will be looking in there to see the amount of storage space there is. This is a great time to get rid of or put spring clothes into storage if it's winter like it is now, or vice versa. And then you want to make sure you clean scuff marks off the floor. Because it's your entryway, it's pretty common that you're gonna have those scuff marks. So clean up that floor and get rid of all those little scuff marks so you can make a great first impression when the buyers walk in. Next, we're gonna move on to your kitchen. 3 things to remember in the kitchen, and I'm gonna have more extensive lists in the blog, so make sure you read the blog to get some more tips. But in the kitchen, you want to make sure that you wipe down all your cabinets and clean those. You want to clean all your appliances inside and out. So yeah, you got to clean the oven. But if you're like me, you probably haven't used it in a while, so that won't be much of a job. And then you also want to store all your food out of sight so that everything looks nice and organized. Next, we're going to the bathrooms. So in the bathrooms, the 3 things that I want you to focus on there are cleaning all the grout and caulking, or replacing any grout or caulking. If you can't get it clean, then just go ahead and replace it. It doesn't take very long. It's not very difficult or expensive, and it can make your bathroom look brand new. You want to remove, before showings, any dirty towels that have been used, and have nice, clean, fresh, fluffy towels hanging out. And also any dirty clothes. And if you have a clothes hamper, many of us do in our bathrooms, you want to hide that away in a closet somewhere because dirty clothes can smell and you don't want your bathroom to smell bad. Go ahead and remove any towels, any dirty clothes from the bathroom. And then you want to make sure you clean behind the toilet and under the sink and around the sink. Those are areas that are frequently missed because mops and brooms have trouble getting to them, but it will leave an impression. It may be a little bit more subliminal than obvious, but definitely you want to clean those areas as well. From the bathrooms, we're going to move to the bedroom area, and the 3 main things I want you to remember there are wash your sheets, comforters, and blankets in all the bedrooms. This is going to bring a nice fresh scent to the bedroom, brighten things up, and just help it feel homier and cleaner and more welcoming. So clean all that. You want to, again, clean and organize your closets because bedroom closets are a big selling point for a lot of buyers, so they will be looking at them. It doesn't have to be perfect, but they will be looking to see how much space there is. So you want to clean and organize your closets. And also, and this kind of goes for the whole house, quite honestly, remove any personal items like photos, like professional licenses, degrees, awards, anything with your name on it or your full name you want to remove. one, to depersonalize the house so that the buyer can see themselves there, living there, and they can kind of imagine themselves in the home. And two, just for your own safety, so that people aren't looking you up online or Facebook stalking you. But you want to remove personal items, and you also want to remove any items of value like jewelry, little knickknacks or things, anything of value to you, you want to remove. Put it away in a safe place. Maybe ask a friend or family member to hold on to those items for you until your house is no longer on the market and you're in contract. So those are my initial tips for cleaning and getting ready for going on the market. It does not have to be overwhelming. If you follow these tips, it'll be pretty simple. And I have more tips in the blog, so make sure you take a look. It's in the blog below or on rachelsrealestateguide.com. If you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you give me a heart if you loved it. If you found it super useful and you think your friends and family might also, please, by all means, share. And if you have any questions or any other tips or ideas for other videos, I would love to hear from you. You can send me an email. It's going to be coming across the bottom here very soon, but it's Rachel, RACHEL, @rachelkayla.com. I would love to hear from you and get your feedback. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a wonderful week. Bye.